Here is how to hide the taskbar in Windows 11 and how to bring it back whenever it is needed. Feel free to pause at any time. You can slow this down or speed it up with the playback speed setting and turn subtitles on or off with the closed captions button. Method 1. Automatically hide the taskbar from taskbar settings. Right-click an empty part of the taskbar and choose Taskbar Settings. Scroll down and click Taskbar Behaviors to expand the section. Then tick the box next to automatically hide the taskbar. The taskbar slides out of view straight away, and it slides back whenever the pointer moves to the very bottom of the screen. Method 2. Hide the taskbar from the Settings app. This route reaches the same setting, and it is the one to use when the taskbar will not respond to a right-click. Open Settings, then click Personalization and choose Taskbar. Scroll to the bottom of the page, expand Taskbar Behaviors, and tick Automatically Hide the taskbar. Either route flips the same switch, so use whichever is easier to reach. Method 3. Hide the taskbar using the Registry Editor. This one is for advanced users, so back up the registry first. Press Windows +R, type Regedit, and press Enter to open the Registry Editor. In the left pane, work down through H key Current User, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Explorer, and select the StuckRex 3 key. Double-click the value named Settings to open its binary editor. Find the byte on the row that starts with 000000008, the first byte of the second row. Change it from 02 to 03, then click OK. 03 switches auto-hide on, and 02 turns it off. The change takes effect once Windows Explorer restarts. Open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer in the list, and click Restart. The taskbar then hides on its own. To see the taskbar for a moment, move the pointer to the bottom edge of the screen or press the Windows key. To keep it on screen for good, open Taskbar Settings, expand Taskbar Behaviors, and untick Automatically Hide the taskbar. If the box is ticked but the taskbar stays put, check for an app flashing for attention and open it. Move the pointer away from the bottom edge or restart Windows Explorer to clear glitch. That's 3 ways to hide the taskbar in Windows 11 and how to bring it back. For more Windows tips, visit our website in the description.